Okay, we're still dealing with spliced conductors in accordance with 230.46. Now, this is a little bit different arrangement for spliced conductors. We are bringing our wiring method that was first installed from the transformer, and 250.24C1, 250.24A2, along with the National Electrical Safety Code, Rule 92.B1, I believe, we have to ground that transformer outside. We also have to ground the service equipment inside the building at the first disconnecting mains. But now say that you need to extend the service point and the service equipment down further. Then notice that the splice box that you see to the left upper side of the illustration, we have a head splicing box, and it states splices shall be permitted. We're changing wiring methods in accordance with 230.46. Now, we splice the service conductors coming in at the splice can that you see there. Then the wiring method is routed over to the meter's new location. So the wiring method is secondly installed there at the meter, and the meter base again meets the two sections that we've talked about previously. We're making a splice in that meter base, and then we're routing over to the service equipment. So in this illustration, 6-23, we're splicing those service entrance conductors twice. And section 230.46 in the NEC would allow such a arrangement for an existing installation as shown in the illustration.